basically has eliminated my electric bill other than the basic service fee, the delivery fee from the provider. Well, so far the solar panels that have been installed have saved 100% of my electric bill with the exception of the delivery fee by the provider, which is pretty nice. Averaged about $190 a month, and it's $16. Besides, I'm hedged against any future increases in electric as well. Well, it's always good if we can conserve what we have, that's for sure. I've always been interested in solar power since I was younger, and it just made sense finally after years when they come up with something that has actually a recovery of your capital, your money you laid out. Well, I did all my research online, like Google makes it easy these days, and I had 4 or 5 different bids from different contractors, and I found out that Iconic, a fellow that I know was at Iconic, so I called him out to have him come and give us a price and take a look at what he could offer, and that worked out real well. Installation was easy. They sent a technician out the first day, connected to the electric panel in the basement. About a week or so later, the crew came out from the company and they did the installation all in one day. By the end of the day at 6 o'clock, it was generating power.